Welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. We've got another Loungefly unboxing here. This one we've been pretty excited for. This is another exclusive from Pink a la Mode. This one was actually just revealed and released a couple months back actually, but we were really excited for this one, so we're happy that it's here. This is the Pink a la Mode Tinkerbell Exclusive. It's kind of like a Tinkerbell cosplay. It's got a really cute Pom Pom on it, so we're super excited to get it out and take a look. Also, the tape on this box,
as you can tell, it's Christmas themed.
And it kind of has like some Halloween, I guess. It's got like, I guess.
They're cookies.
Yeah, they're cookies, but they are like pumpkin ornaments. But yeah, it's so cool. It's for the holidays, just kind of like holiday season tape. So you can kind of see it a little bit through the bag, but let's get it out of that plastic and take a better look. Oh, it's really, really cute. So there's Tinkerbell. You've got really, really cute details on this bag of course, the Pom Pom here, those laces, Tinkerbell's face, those kind of embroidered details that are used for her eyes and the eyebrows there. That looks really good. This is a nice color of faux leather too. I like the green that's used here. You got the Tinkerbell. This is actually like debossed on here too. That shiny, shimmery silver. And then the pattern of the stars here too. The darker green stars set against that lighter green. The darker ones are also embossed, which is really cool. And then some stitching around the outsides there. And it is a fairly thick pocket, so it's pretty big, looks pretty functional for a front pocket. It's kind of cute with that little applique on there actually, on the bottom. That's patterned as well.
The Pom Pom wants to check out the Pom Pom.
This Pom Pom is a really cute detail. She says, "Who's the cuter Pom?" And Tinkerbell clearly likes this backpack, so I think Tinkerbell, our little Pom Pom, approves of the Pom Pom. Do you approve, girl? Is it good? And so let's take a look. On the side, we do have side pockets. And again, we've got this same kind of that lighter green color on the pockets, set with the darker green that we have on the same front pocket there, which looks really nice, kind of contrasting, and that darker green around the Loungefly badge. And then we get to one of the coolest parts. Look at those straps. We got some iridescent or holographic straps there. Really, really cool. It looks kind of like fairy wings, almost like Tinkerbell's wings. So super cool straps. And then this is a really cool detail too, Tink. And that's what we call our little Tinkerbell. So it's kind of, I like Tink there. And this is actually debossed too. So it's really, really nice on there. Nicely printed. Feels really high quality. The quality of the leather used for this, it's a little bit different than normal Loungefly faux leather that you would see. I almost want to say it feels more like plasticky and firm. I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it's not the same. It doesn't feel as soft or like real leather kind of as other Loungefly backpacks, although they are all faux leather, but this one is different, but it still feels nice. It feels good. It feels pretty well made. Side pockets, of course, are great. And the hardware on this is kind of like a bronze, which does look pretty nice, along with Tinkerbell. Of course, we gotta look at the lining too. So that brings it all together really, really nicely. It's got like a light blue of Tinkerbell flying with some pixie dust. So again, this exclusive is from Pink a la Mode. We've gotten quite a few of their exclusives now. We've actually done a few of their like ticketed events where you can pay for the ticket and get a swag bag and early access to items. So we do still have some that are set to come from their Spook Fest and some that we just pretty recently ordered from their Enchanted Winter. That should be pretty cool. They've had a lot of great exclusives, and I do really like this Tink one. This is a cool one to add to the collection. We love any of the Tinkerbell things, and this is a really good one. And our Pom Pom seems to like it as well, which is great. This one is currently sold out on Pink a la Mode website. Don't know if they'll be restocking, but you can always, I think they have a way to add your email. As always, just keep a watch on any of their social pages to see if they will restock or have any of these back at any point, because you never know. We hope you enjoyed getting to check out this cool Pink a la Mode Tinkerbell exclusive backpack with us. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, drop us a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more of these Loungefly unboxings that we'll be doing. Disney videos, Disney Parks videos. We've been uploading tons of our videos from our Disney Parks trip, so if you haven't been checking those out yet, we definitely recommend checking those out too, because we'll have even more coming. We've still got a few days of our trip left to upload, and as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney.